Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make one of my absolute favorite sauces. I like this sauce so much that sometimes I even have it as a soup. It's that good. Super easy, super quick, and you can literally have this with just about anything. And since y'all played that game Character Select on my last Instagram post where you picked the color of my hair, which determines your next few recipes, is the reveal. Character Select! You're gonna need a celeriac, celery root. If you don't have a celeriac, go to the store and get a celeriac. Alright, get your saucepan. I'm gonna set that to medium-high heat. You're gonna need a quarter onion, small dice, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Toss those in. You're gonna take your celeriac and peel off that outside. And if you want, you can give that a little wash. It's a root vegetable, so it was in the ground. It's probably very dirty. Small dice, toss that straight in. Three-fourth cup white wine. We're gonna turn that to high heat and let that wine soak into the celeriac and cook off and give it a nice, beautiful, sweet flavor. If you don't know what celeriac tastes like, it tastes like a very concentrated celery. We're gonna take a half a cup of water and another half a cup of water. And we're gonna cook that covered until soft, so about 10 to 12 minutes. Timer na 10 minutni. 10-minute timer, we're gonna check to see if they're nice and soft. And if you can cut through it with a fork, good to go. We're gonna add 2 cups heavy cream. And we're gonna let that simmer on low to medium for about 5 minutes, just to incorporate all those flavors. 5 minutes up, you're gonna take that, you're gonna put it straight into your blender. Blend until smooth. Back into your saucepan. And the only spice you need to add here is about a teaspoon of salt. We'll start with a teaspoon of salt. That's good. That's good. So good. And once you've given that a moment to cool down, you put it in your container. And you can use this sauce with anything, with pasta, chicken, basically anything you would use sauces for. This would be good for it. And always make sure to label and date your stuff. Character Select.